In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reactivate your Facebook page. If your page was previously unpublished or hidden from the public, this quick walkthrough will help you bring it back so people can find and follow it again. Start by opening Facebook and logging in to the account that manages your page. It's important that you're using a profile with the right permissions, because only people with management access can change visibility. Once you're in, navigate to your page. You can do this by selecting Pages from the left sidebar or by typing your page name into the search bar and opening it from the results. When you're on your page, look for Settings. On desktop, you'll usually find Settings in the left-hand menu near the bottom. On mobile, it may be tucked behind a menu or an option labeled More. The exact placement can shift as Facebook updates its layout, but the label Settings is consistent, so keep an eye out for it. Inside Settings, locate the area for privacy or page visibility. Depending on your version of Facebook or whether you're using the new Pages experience, you might see either term. If you see privacy, open it and then look for the visibility controls. If you see page visibility directly, go ahead and open that. The goal here is the same. Get to the setting that controls whether your page is published. Find the option labeled Page Published. If your page is currently unpublished, this toggle will be off. Switch it on to publish the page. Publishing simply means your page can appear in search, visitors can see your content, and you can actively engage with your audience. If the toggle is already on, your page is already active. After toggling Page Published, confirm the change by selecting Save Changes if you see that button. Some versions of Facebook save automatically, but if a save option is present, click it to be sure your update is applied. Your page should be visible immediately. In most cases, you'll notice the change right away. If it doesn't appear public at first glance, give it a moment and refresh your browser. You can also open a new window and view your page without being logged in to confirm that it's live for everyone. That's all there is to it. Go to your page, open Settings, find Privacy or Page Visibility, toggle Page Published, and save. And with your page reactivated, you're ready to post updates, respond to messages, and get back in front of your audience. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get your Facebook page back online quickly and confidently.